Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to fix your key fob. My key fob started not being able to unlock the doors, lock them. You could like hit the button only once and the door would open, or barely even touch the button and one of your doors would open on the side. And today I'm going to show you how to fix these the proper way, and how to get a new keypad, because that's probably what your problem is. And what you do is there's a little tab here, and you push that over and you pull up and your key will come out. Okay, take your key out, and then just take your screwdriver. I have a tiny screwdriver here. You could probably do it with a bigger one if you want, but just pry open a little here on the edges, and you can go down and down here, just pry up a little, then do this side, pry up a little down there, and when you open it, you're going to see your battery on this side, and on this side is your board that gets programmed to your car. So you want to take this, and it's this little plastic keypad here. You pull it out, and then you take your board out, and I've already replaced mine, but I'm just showing you on this one. And then there's these little buttons in here, and as you can see, a couple of them were off and they just fell out. They were like down here where you lock it at, and over here where you like click the buttons for your side doors. And I'm going to show you how to repair this. And this even had, yep, see, there's another little button right on here. And what you do is you take some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and you can get these like at any gas station. They're like a lint-free cloth. And you just put like a little alcohol on it, not a whole ton. And there'll probably be a bunch of glue on these contacts. And what you do is you just take your alcohol and clean that glue off of your board. Just, be careful with it, and hold it on the sides like that. And then what I did was I got 2 new key fobs on Amazon for $15.65. And you open it the same way. Open it the same way as the other one. And this is the proper way to fix these. I used to be an electronic technician, and if I was in my shop repairing these, then this is what I would do. Now, these are just generics, but they will work, and this is what you do. Now, I didn't use the battery on this one. I used the battery that came with my regular key fob. And what you do is you take the plastic keypad out, and you take the board out that came with it, and set that one aside, and see, you got all new buttons. They're all, in place and all that. Well, you take your board that you took out of your old key fob, and you just place it in the new little plastic thing there, and then you just put it back in, and then just pop your battery and your back on. Let's see. Just takes a little doing, but you'll snap it back on. And then you slide it over, and you put your key back in, and you'll be done, and you'll have a whole new keypad. And mine works great, and I have a spare in case these ever go bad again. And snap back down here too. And now you can use the back for this, or you can just do like me, and I left the old Chrysler one on. But I have the whole new keypad on top. And yeah, it works great, and I'm very, very happy with it. So, all right, everybody, good luck with your key fobs, and you should be right back on the road. All right, thank you.